Okay, let's make a start with IELTS speaking part 1. I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you got to answer. Let's start from you. Do you wear a watch?
Yes, I like wear a watch since my childhood.
I have always liked wearing watch since my childhood. When you want to say since my childhood, then you can use I have always liked wearing watch since my childhood. Otherwise, do you wear a watch? Yes, I love to wear a watch. Present tense. So please answer again. Do you wear a watch?
Yes, I have always liked to wear a watch since my childhood because I am so punctual man. My father always give me advice. Keep your watch in your hand. So all works do on a time.
Alright, so to answer your question, I always wear a watch.
Sure.
You need to focus your sentence structure as well. Have you ever received a watch as a gift?
Yes, I have received many time a watch as a gift from my parents. My parents always give me watch at my birthday.
On my birthday?
On my birthday. Last year my father gave me a watch on my engagement.
On my engagement ceremony. Okay. Do you like to be on time?
Yes, I like to be on time because I am a punctual man. I always arrive at time.
I always arrive on time.
I always arrive on time in any events and family functions. So I like.
Okay, that's good. Better, but still you need to focus your grammar, sentence structure, and at the end of each answer you need to conclude it. Okay. Let's go on. It's your turn. I'll ask you some questions. Do you use computer?
Sir, yes, definitely I use computer because today nowadays it's the era of computer. You can do many things with computer. Personally, I like to use computer for my trading. I use computer for my online trading. So without computer, I think it's not good.
All right. Do you prefer to use desktop computer or laptop?
So definitely I use laptops because laptop is very easy. You can take with yourself anywhere. You can do work from anywhere. Definitely I like to use laptop.
All right. What's your favorite software?
So I have my favorite.
Come on, any Windows or like Microsoft Excel, Word, this and that.
So it's my first day, therefore I'm little bit
Don't worry,
nervous.
you'll be fine. You'll be fine.
So-
So, what's your favorite software?
So Microsoft is my favorite software. It's
Come on, speak more. Microsoft Word is my favorite software. I usually use it. I make my assignments on Microsoft Word.
So Microsoft
Yeah.
is my favorite software. I use it, and it's really helped me for my works, and it's helped me to make some things easier for me.
All
So-
right. Can you live without a computer?
No, I cannot live without computer because my income source is all from computer because I'm a trader. So therefore, I cannot live without computer.
This is good. You have the potential.
Yes.
And you have the spark. So you'll have to work hard and then inshallah things will
Sir-
be fine.
Sir, I will do, but it's my first time. Therefore,
Don't say that, okay? Right? You should always enjoy the firsts in your life.
yes.
Whenever
sir.
there is the first thing, you should enjoy that, right?
Yes.
Yeah. My good friend Yasin, when he sat on the camel first time, the camel could not get up. So his first time and camel's first time also, right? So don't worry about that. Thank you so much.